Hello, explorers! Welcome to Yoruba Learning Adventure, where we learn Yoruba through fun stories. Today's story is called The Lost Mango. As we enjoy the story, you'll also learn simple Yoruba words and phrases that you can start using today. Are you ready? Let's begin! One sunny morning, Tunde was playing outside. He looked up and saw a beautiful mango tree. "Wow!" he exclaimed. "Mango! Mango roll. Repeat after me. Mango roll. Again.
Mango roll.
Excellent." Tunde walked closer. Oh no! The mango was gone. He looked left. He looked right. No mango.
Níbo ni mango roll wà?
Where is the mango? Let's say it together.
Níbo ni mango roll wà?
Tunde saw his little sister. He asked.
Níbo ni mango roll wà?
His sister smiled. I don't know. Mi ò mọ̀. That means I don't know. Repeat after me.
Mi ò mọ̀.
One more time.
Mi ò mọ̀.
Great job. Tunde went inside. Grandma was cooking. He asked, "Níbo ni mango roll wà?" Grandma laughed. She said,
Wọ ibẹ̀ yẹn.
"Look over there. Repeat after me."
Wọ ibẹ̀ yẹn.
Again.
Wọ ibẹ̀ yẹn.
Tunde looked behind the tree. Guess what he saw? A little goat. The goat was happily eating the mango. Oh no! Rah rah! This means, oh no! Rah rah! Tunde started laughing. The goat looked very happy. Grandma smiled and said, "It's okay. Next time, pick the mango before the goat does." Everyone laughed together. Let's remember today's Yoruba words.
Mango roll.
Mango.
Níbo ni?
Where is it?
Mi ò mọ̀.
I don't know.
Wọ ibẹ̀ yẹn.
Look over there.
Rárá.
Oh no. Let's see what you remember. How do you say, "Where is the mango"? That's right.
Níbo ni mango roll wà?
How do you say, "I don't know"?
Mi ò mọ̀.
Great job. What does "wo ibẹ̀ yẹn" mean?
Look over there.
Excellent. Fantastic job. Today, you learn Yoruba through a fun little story. Next time, we'll join Tunde on another adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with anyone learning Yoruba. See you next time. Odabo!